Well, good afternoon and morning again, campers. I just bloody done this with my dark glass on, looking down. And this has been switched off as well. Anyway, it's the 9th of June, it's still about 10. Me and Ron are sat here on what he calls the captain's log. What was it?
Star Trek.
That was it. You know, let's see, having a look up. Round here, he's said he wouldn't leave his trailer there in case somebody nicked it. But why somebody want to nick that, I ain't got a clue. But I think the wind's blowing in. If you sail out here,
yeah, it's blowing towards us.
yeah, that's what I said. It'll pull you back. It's quite safe out there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I hope you're listening to this, H. If you look,
in 3 inches of water.
if you look on that spit there, that goes along there, and you can actually see it showing above the water out there somewhere. You can't with a naked eye, anyway. Well, these people here, they're going in, and if you stand still, they blow you outwards. That one on there says 2 bare feet, 10'10", all round, extra large. And
That's not nice.
I don't know what they mean by extra large, but I won't go into that. But it must be quite hard to get going. But it's nice. It is calm. What I'll do, H? I'll send you the what 3 words, because you can still see out here. You can still see where the gap is and where the what do you call it is, the bar. So I should imagine learning here and the wind blowing inwards. Isn't it? I thought I was going to be entertaining then.
Well, no, she calls it. Be a big splash. Tidal wave.
It was so rude. Oh, hang on, here she goes. Up it goes. Oh, hang on. Is here? Hang on.
Might be a tsunami. We get washed off the fucking beach.
What, she falls in? That's ever so rude, you know, Ron.
Yeah, but you think it normally.
I know, yeah, I think if I don't fucking say it, and I say all sorts, which is bloody rude.
With that wind, you see, you can be paddling like a madman and not getting anywhere. But
Yeah.
on the way back, you just sit there and relax, and it'll
Yeah.
bring you in.
Yeah. But I mean, there's plenty of bay there. I mean, I don't know if you can go out through that bit there and go around behind that island and come back in again. I would have thought you could, wouldn't you?
There's water there all the time around that bit.
Yeah.
There's like a river that runs there. So yeah, that is cut off. You can claim that as your own island, Robinson Crusoe.
Oh, I never thought of that. Well, there isn't much more to say or much more to do, is there really? It's just really, really nice here. If I'd had all my stuff out, I'd get my chair out and sit. But you going for another walk today, Ron? You going for another walk? Well, I just wondering. I don't know. I wouldn't have thought so. Don't do fucking infantry. Oh. Well, there you go, folks. We're back. Speak to you all later. Remember, stay classy. See, like I say, my batteries, I'm changing my batteries. But see, they're up to 100% already today. Speak to you later. Remember, stay classy, no fighting. Love you all. Bye-bye. Thank you, Skins.